Have you noticed that reading a menu, looking at your phone, or focusing on small words seems harder than it used to be? Do your eyes sometimes feel tired, even when the rest of your body feels fine? If you are over 60, you are not alone. Millions of seniors experience eye fatigue, difficulty focusing, and tired eyes during daily activities. The surprising part is that many people immediately assume something serious is happening, when sometimes the eyes may simply be working harder than they used to. Now let's be clear from the beginning. The simple techniques in today's video are not a cure for vision problems, and they cannot restore eyesight. However, many people use these gentle relaxation habits to help reduce eye strain and support eye comfort throughout the day. What makes this topic interesting is that most people spend a lot of time taking care of other parts of their body while completely ignoring their eyes. They stretch their legs, they massage their shoulders, they relax their neck, but their eyes work from the moment they wake up until the moment they fall asleep. Think about everything your eyes do in a single day: reading, watching television, looking at a phone, driving, shopping, talking to family members. It is no surprise that they sometimes feel tired. Before we continue, this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you enjoy learning simple habits that support healthy aging, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments, what activity causes your eyes to feel tired the fastest? Habit number 6. Gentle eyebrow massage. Let's begin with one of the easiest relaxation techniques on today's list. Many people do not realize that the area around the eyebrows can hold tension, especially after long periods of reading or screen use. A gentle massage along the eyebrow area may help relax some of the muscles surrounding the eyes. Using clean hands, lightly move your fingertips along the eyebrow line from the center toward the outer edge. The key word here is gentle. There should never be pain or strong pressure. Many people say this simple habit feels relaxing after a long day. Habit number 5, temple circle massage. Now here is a technique that surprises many seniors because it does not involve the eyes directly. The temples, located on the sides of the head, can sometimes feel tight after periods of concentration. Using gentle circular motions for about a minute may help create a feeling of relaxation around the eye area. And what comes next is even more interesting because it uses nothing except the warmth of your own hands. Many people say it becomes their favorite eye relaxation habit after trying it for the first time. Habit number 4, warm palm eye relaxation. The next habit may be the most comfortable one on today's list. It does not require special equipment, it does not cost anything, and it only takes a minute or two. Start by rubbing your hands together until they feel slightly warm. Then gently place your palms over your closed eyes without pressing on them. Simply allow the warmth from your hands to cover the eye area while you relax and breathe normally. Many people find this technique calming after reading, watching television, or spending time on a phone or computer. The reason people enjoy this habit is not because it is complicated. It is because it gives the eyes a short break from constant work, and sometimes a short break is exactly what tired eyes need. Habit number 3, gentle under-eye massage. Now let's move to an area many people completely ignore. Just below the eyes, along the upper cheek area, there are muscles that can feel tense after a long day. Using clean fingertips, some people gently massage this area using very light circular movements. The goal is relaxation. The goal is comfort. The goal is never strong pressure. In fact, when it comes to the eyes, gentler is usually better. Many seniors say they enjoy combining this habit with a few minutes of quiet relaxation before bed. But here is something even more important than any massage technique. Bonus habit: give your eyes regular breaks. Think about how often your eyes work without rest. Reading, watching television, looking at screens, focusing on small objects, hour after hour. Many eye care professionals recommend giving your eyes regular breaks during the day. One popular method is the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something about 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It sounds simple, because it is simple, yet many people never do it. The interesting thing is that some of the most effective eye comfort habits are often the easiest ones. And now we are getting close to the final habits on today's list. One of them focuses on relaxing the entire eye area before sleep, while the other is a bedtime habit that many people completely overlook, and surprisingly, it may have a bigger impact on eye comfort than most people expect. Habit number 2, gentle eye circle massage. Most people focus only on the eyes themselves, but the muscles around the eyes also work hard every single day. Think about how many times you blink, read, focus, squint, or look at screens throughout the day. The muscles surrounding your eyes are constantly active. That is why some people enjoy a gentle massage around the eye socket area. Using clean fingertips, lightly move around the bones that surround the eyes. Stay on the bone area and never press directly on the eyeball itself. The movement should feel comfortable. It should feel relaxing. It should never feel painful. Many seniors say they enjoy doing this in the evening while sitting quietly or listening to relaxing music. What makes this habit interesting is that it encourages people to slow down for a few minutes. In today's busy world, even a short period of relaxation can feel refreshing. But here is something many people never consider. Sometimes the problem is not what happens around the eyes. Sometimes it is what happens before bedtime. Habit number 1. Relax the forehead before sleep. Have you ever noticed yourself frowning while reading or raising your eyebrows while concentrating? Many people hold tension in their forehead without realizing it. Over time, this tension can make the entire eye area feel tired. That is why some people use a gentle forehead massage before bed. Using your fingertips, slowly move across the forehead using light pressure. Many people find this relaxing because the forehead, eyebrows, and eye area are closely connected. The goal is not to force anything. The goal is simply to help the face and eye area relax before sleep. And that leads to one final point that may be the most important message in this entire video. Many people are searching for instant results. They want a miracle trick. They want something that works overnight. But healthy habits rarely work that way. Whether it is eye comfort, sleep, mobility, or overall wellness, small actions usually create results through consistency. That is why eye relaxation habits work best when they become part of a daily routine, rather than something you try once and forget. And before we finish, there is one important thing every viewer should remember. These techniques are not magic. They are not a cure for vision problems. They are simply gentle habits that may help support eye comfort and relaxation when practiced consistently over time. The goal is to support your eyes, not to replace professional eye care. And in the final part, we'll bring everything together and discuss a few simple daily habits that many seniors overlook, but that may help support long-term eye comfort and healthy aging. As we reach the end of today's video, there is one important truth that many people forget. Your eyes work hard every single day. They help you read messages from family. They help you enjoy television. They help you drive, shop, cook, and experience the world around you. Yet many people spend years taking care of every part of their body except their eyes. That is why simple daily habits can be so valuable. Not because they are dramatic, not because they promise miracles, but because they encourage you to give your eyes a few moments of care and relaxation each day. When you look back at today's habits, you will notice something interesting. None of them were complicated. None of them required expensive equipment. None of them took hours to complete. A gentle eyebrow massage, relaxing the temples, using warm palms over closed eyes, giving your eyes regular breaks, relaxing the forehead before bed. These are small habits. But small habits are often easier to maintain than big ones, and consistency is what matters most. Another thing many seniors overlook is the importance of overall healthy living. Good sleep, staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, getting regular eye examinations, using proper lighting while reading. All of these habits can help support eye comfort and overall eye health as we age. The goal is not perfection. The goal is simply taking small steps that support your well-being. And if you ever notice sudden vision changes, eye pain, flashes of light, or anything unusual, it is always important to speak with an eye care professional. Before we finish, I want to remind you of something very important. These techniques are not magic. They are not a cure. They do not restore eyesight overnight. They are simply gentle habits that may help support eye comfort, relaxation, and overall eye wellness when practiced consistently over time. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Now tell me in the comments, which eye relaxation habit are you most excited to try first? If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more healthy aging tips designed for seniors. Thank you for watching. Take good care of your eyes, be patient with your progress, and remember that small daily habits often create the biggest long-term benefits. I'll see you in the next video.